Hi. This video will show you how to migrate from BullGuard protection to Norton. Migration of your BullGuard protection to Norton is automatic. If you are still using BullGuard protection, firstly, check to confirm if you have Norton Go subscription. Open your browser and go to my.norton.com. Click Sign In. Enter your BullGuard account credentials and click Sign In. On the top right corner, move the mouse pointer over your profile name and then click My Subscriptions from the menu that appears. In the My Subscriptions page, confirm if you see your Norton Go subscription listed. Once confirmed, uninstall your BullGuard security product. If you have a Windows PC or laptop, press the Windows +R keys to open the Run dialog box. Type appwiz.cpl and then click OK or press Enter. In the list of currently installed programs, select your BullGuard product, right-click, and then click Uninstall. If the user account control window appears, click Yes. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the uninstallation process. After uninstalling your BullGuard security product, click Finish to reboot your PC or laptop. After restarting, download and install your Norton protection. Thanks for watching.